In front of me is Motorola S50 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access security and privacy. Then scroll down again and tap on device unlock before selecting face unlock. Now it's time to enter your screen lock and tap on setup twice at the bottom right corner. Then keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Following that, adjust those two options, and when you're ready, select next. Then hit done. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!